Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I do my foundation routine. First step is I moisturize my face and my neck. I want to make sure that my skin is soft before I apply the foundation. After that, I use a face primer and I apply that on my T-zone areas. Next, I apply my foundation all over my face and neck. Then I use a blending sponge to blend the foundation all over my face. I use a patting or bouncing motion when I apply this foundation because this will help me achieve a flawless look. You can use a foundation brush or a kabuki brush to apply your foundation, but make sure to use a blending sponge or a beauty blender to blend out everything. After I apply my foundation, I use a concealer to cover up my under eye circles. Then I use a blending sponge to blend it well. To prevent my concealer from creasing, I set it with a translucent powder. I just use a patting motion to apply the powder. Next, I apply my face powder using a clean sponge. And I do a patting motion when applying the face powder so that it will cover up all my pores. This technique really helps if you want to cover up your pores and if you want to have that matte look. I use this brush to apply the powder on my neck. After I apply my face powder, I use a bronzer and I apply this on the upper forehead, on my cheekbones, and under my chin. After adding bronzer on my face, I use a highlighter on top of my cheekbones. And to complete this look, I use a blush and I apply it all over my cheekbones, on my nose, and on my chin. So that's how you achieve a flawless face. I hope these tips will help you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.